Hello to part 2 of day 9. We just, left the North Cape, made some drone shots, and now we're going to all the way back to Alta and to like a small camp spot. It's approximately 3.5 hours, so it's 238 kilometers, so we should be there at 4:30 something, but maybe we can scrap a bit of time depending on everything. So should be a fairly straightforward ride today, all the way back the way we came from, and then we are going in a different direction the day after. So day 10 will be new stuff, will be new roads and everything. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I will probably only update you once I'm at the final destination, because it's the same, if I see some nice reindeers again, then I will probably update, or moose or so on. So yeah, North Cape itself, it was decent. There was a cloud hanging low, so, and there's a reindeer on the left, and a small one as well. Nice. So already a promise fulfilled, showing you some reindeers. And yeah, I will update you soon. I need to fuel up, and then it's going back to Alta in better weather than the days before. So yeah, that's gonna be great. I don't wear my extra layer. Yeah, that's nice. So is there someone coming? No. It is very windy. Anyway, update you when we're at the campsite or in Alta, or when there is something interesting. Part 2 will probably be short, but I will include some sweet drone shots. Talk to you soon. So last update for today, day 9 I think. I can't really remember. So we booked the hotel straight away, as the weather's not getting any better, even though it looks good right now, but everything is wet, the clothes is wet, like just everything is wet. So yeah, it should stay like this as well. And it's currently raining as well, so yeah, I'm also trying to find a restaurant, but the person at the hotel said everything is closed, so there's only one pizzeria open. I don't know why, but we will probably go there anyway. Anyway, that's it, everyone. Day 9 ended in a disaster again, but it is what it is, you know. It was a good day nonetheless, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the next day. Hopefully it is better, you know. I will leave my stuff here. Hopefully no one steals it. Free bike parking here as well. I cannot put anything on my bike anyway, so yeah. But anyway, let's end it here. Have a good one, and have a good day, everyone, and let's talk to you at day 10. Have a good one. Bye bye. Ciao.